I feel.
You've been feeling for a while now.
Okay. There is according to me, there's a peak. Don't take it on video, at least, please. Don't embarrass me.
You're taking video.
He is. According to me,
bachelor's party videos never go out.
Everything is allowed.
Never
just transferred to my new phone.
Whatever the host says. Pramod, you're allowed everything, okay?
According to me,
Best man and host. Double combination. कुछ भी कर.
कुछ भी कर. We can download it right now and empty it.
Second one.
No,
ball.
Like even like 4 or 5 years back, I would never say that architecture would take precedence over.
Architecture कहाँ जा गया?
You know, this is what I've been thinking for a while.
Let him finish the
After
sentence.
all the conversation we had,
Let him finish the sentence.
about architecture and
Let me finish.
Marriage.
Let him finish the sentence.
finish, and I will continue.
Over my personal life. But
how did he get over it?
But right now, I think it is, I think I'm at that age where I need to balance out life.
Good.
If I was 25 right now, I would have still been picking on architecture more than having a girlfriend. Jay would know that.
No, see, the Prithvi, I would know. Architecture would come foremost before anything else.
Don't worry, I know the same Prithvi, but it's a little bit of tangent.
Okay. See, after all the Walmart parking lots.
No.
और क्या parking lots are?
Only Walmart. Walmart on West Park.
West Park.
Why do you guys go into
West Park
parking lot?
क्यों जाते तुम?
West Park ऐसे ही.
West Park मेरा सवाल
Okay.
No, I think it's mostly because
Just want to make sure that you are here.
staying away from Andy and not being able to see her or not being able to hang out with her, makes me understand that I really need her. So what's a better way to have her in my life other than getting married?
Is that the only reason?
Is marriage the answer?
Yes.
You think marriage is the answer?
Yes.
No.
Serious?
Yes, because
Marriage is the answer. Se acha, I would ask, is that the only reason that you need?
yes, because I feel the need for a person who I can confide in, a person who I can a person who I trust, a friend basically.
It is a very complicated word.
Seriously.
So because why I say need is because in the last 3 years when I have been in Dallas, there's not been a single day when I've not spoken to her. And the main reason why I moved to Dallas was because I thought that I was on the rebound, I wasn't sure about the relationship, and you know it.
Beginning.
Yes, and you know about it.
Yeah.
And we spoke about this for like months.
Months is
what, like a whole year?
Am I allowed to go into your past or am I not allowed to?
No,
You are allowed today.
No, even you know all about
today.
it.
Everything is allowed.
No, am I allowed or not?
Yeah, about Sagata.
No, past in general.
Oh, beyond that you don't know.
जो भी है मेरे को पता जो भी है. Am I allowed to go into that or not?
I don't know, depends. It's
Everything is
it's
allowed.
selective.
Man. Bachelor party hai.
Anyway,
You want me to ask him the
It's Vegas, man. It's Vegas.
Right now or leave it till
The
later?
purpose of a bachelor party is to ask.
See, I don't
the
want him
groom-
to get scared or anything.
No, he's not.
Why
supposed
will you
to.
get scared?
See,
Not me,
It's
मैं enjoy.
better-
मेरा शादी हो गया है.
Oh, okay, me. Dude, I'm telling you, everything
listen,
I've done,
listen.
I've done.
Okay,
in
my
life.
question is,
listen.
Every person
It's better
has-
that whatever question has to be asked is asked right now.
boss, I've got a suit. I don't want to waste it.
No. Are
He spent pounds on it, not dollars.
pounds. No. See.
No,
Whatever
honestly,
questions
That
if have to be answered.
reminds black hair proper.
हाँ.
Everyone's in black.
साले को लाइफ पे वही टेंशन
मैं आगे भी कलर का लिया मैंने.
Okay. See. Whatever questions have to be answered has to be answered here.
Okay, I need a drink.
Whatever questions are